Tuesday. I did not vlog at all yesterday. Good boy, lay down. But today's Tuesday. So I'm working like a week ahead on vlogging. So my biggest thing I don't want is for some of my personal friends to see the vlog from last week and think that that's how I'm feeling. Anyways, so this Tuesday, I actually have some things to do because last Tuesday we had a week off because we filmed 2 weeks of our service. This week, we're back to filming our services. So at 2 o'clock, I'm going to go and we're going to do a acoustic set for church so that we have even less people filming. Just sit down. Sit down. Thank you. So we have less people there and we're going to be filming just kind of like some acoustic sets, which is kind of cool because it's my only form of like getting out of the house sometimes. And so I at least get to do that today. And then we also have our Zoom meeting tonight. So with our high schoolers, again, I feel like we're going to have a repeat every single week of exactly what I do. Oh, and ow, just hit myself in the face. So I've been doing this thing where when I order something online, because it's not essential, like if I'm ordering non-essentials, let's be real guys, it's the only way we're able to get anything is to order it online right now. I've been making this list of all the things I'm waiting for. Can you see it? Okay, so I make this list of all the things I'm waiting for because I've been ordering things for like 3 weeks now and some things haven't shown up. So I just started like, as soon as I remember, oh yeah, I remember you ordered that. So I made this list and it's like Christmas because I'm like, ooh, look at all these fun things I've been waiting for that are taking forever to get here. But 2 things got here today, which is going to make amazing vlogging content because one is my wax beads. So I've been waiting to do my waxing at home on camera. I'm going to be waxing my legs. And then my hair dye. So my hair is blue right now. That's what my hair does when I haven't dyed it in a while. Because I used to have pink and then I did purple and then those colors combined apparently when they fade are blue. Had no idea, but that's what my hair does. It turns blue. So I got some pink hair dye and that came today. So I can do that in the vlog. I can wax my legs in the vlog. And I just wanted to show you guys the wax that I use because it's actually a game changer. It's really cool. So I did order extra wax to make sure I could do that. Okay, so I ordered a Creative Weirdo Sorry, let me try this again. I ordered a Creative Weirdo hoodie. So you guys know I love the Shane Dawson hoodie. It's like so comfortable. So I wear that all the time. So then I was like, I want to order all the YouTuber merch and bling all the YouTuber merch. So I ordered my favorite YouTube channel. So they do all the like DIY room tour and she's got some amazing quarantine ideas of painting. She's making me want to paint my whole house. Anyway, so I ordered the Creative Weirdo hoodie like a month ago and it's still not here, so that's on the top of my list. I'm so excited. The hoodie itself is already so cute, but I'm gonna bling it and I'm so excited. My own merch, so I'm kind of putting everything to the test too, like seeing how long things take to ship during this time. Because I ordered from my own website, I ordered like $300 worth of craft supplies. And I'm like, okay, let's see how great our shipping department is. They are great. So we'll see. I ordered that like 2 days ago, but I also ordered on the weekend. So I know that sometimes it takes a couple more days. So here's a tip. If you're ordering from me, order on like a Monday or Tuesday if you want it by the end of the week. Some silicone samples. I'm just going to put that out there because I don't want you guys to know what the samples are because they're going to be hitting the market pretty soon and I don't want you guys to get super excited because they're samples. So if they don't work out, then they're not going to go on the website. So some silicone samples, bling. I have huge amounts of bling coming in because I also have jars coming in. So we are going to hand make our bling jars from now on. Hopefully, this is kind of like a sample test out, but my goal is to hire more people hands-on here in the United States, and I want to be doing a lot of our packaging from like a office again. Basically, I want an office outside of my house, but not my craft room outside of my house, like a shipping and packaging and working and all the things type of space, so that I can go there and do work, and then I can be here and craft and film my videos here. So that's a dream goal for the business soon, but we're doing it in-house right now with samples, like literally in my kitchen. So Fabletics, I subscribe to Fabletics again. So I love leggings. Like that's all I wear is yoga pants. And I'll probably put the waxing and the hair dye tomorrow, because we're going to be just excited about the mail that's going to be coming in for the next 15 days. Hopefully all this stuff gets here in vlog time, okay? Because I'm only vlogging till April 30th. And then it's back to your regular Auntie produced videos and really cool series that you'll hear about as the vlog goes on. Okay, so Fabletics. I have been wearing my leggings, and I just started shopping on pink again because Victoria's Secret started using regular size models, and for a while I boycotted them because, hello, they're bad for our mental health to put bodies like that in front of us and make us feel like that's the only way to look. Regardless, irregardless, this is a crafting blog and I shouldn't talk about any of my opinions ever. So I boycotted them, and I just recently started shopping there again, and because they have new real looking models. And so I love their leggings, but Fabletics are cheaper, and I have a pair of Fabletics that I've had for like 8 years or like 6 years, and they're amazing leggings, and they don't run, they are not see-through, they're amazing. So I was like, you know what, I am going to subscribe to Fabletics because this is all I wear half the day. Oh, either that or my $5 thrift store jeans, and I want some good leggings. So I subscribe to Fabletics. We'll see if their formula is still the same. I haven't worn a pair of those pants. And then my Smile Direct, I just reached out to them. My Smile Direct liners, I think they got switched with Landis's because I went in to go get my Smile Direct all done, and then I took her in like the next day, and I think our accounts got like merged and only hers came. So I don't think it's anything against them. I think because I was an influencer for them, the accounts got switched because I anticipated like fully paying for hers, and they wanted me to be their influencer, so I was going to influence, but then I was also going to buy hers, and I think I ended up just getting hers for free, and I didn't get any. So I'm like, can I at least just pay for mine? I really want my Smile Direct. Like, I'm obsessed with Smile Direct, and it's a really safe way to straighten your teeth right now because you don't have to go to the dentist. So I've just been noticing this gap in my bottom teeth has been getting out of control again, so I kind of rein it in. But anyways, yeah, my Smile Direct. And then, yeah, so I have this little bottom side, well, I put delivered. Wow, that doesn't work very good. I wrote delivered, and then I move things under delivered when they're here. So I have more things coming than I have come. But again, it's kind of fun. Oh, and I also need to do the whole, like, set out something cute for the shipper people, because I have been ordering everything online right now. So I nailed the bling. Yesterday I literally was just in the zone, so I didn't vlog much. So sorry if yesterday's video was really lame, but maybe I threw something fun in. Who knows? Maybe I threw a tutorial in. I don't know. Oh, there they are. So I nailed, this is not the final step, but I nailed the bling ears. So I'm just going to show you a sneak peek. That's it. No more. No more. Actually, I'll show you a sneak peek of this one too, because it's really cool. Okay, that's it. No more. All right. So there's that. And yeah, so I'll take you guys to church with me because I can take you guys through the camera. That's the only way I can see you guys. A little bit more than a week of vlogging left. And today, not today, but I'm also going to be working on coming up with the crafts for our fundraiser. We're going to want to surprise them with a lot of supporters. So I'm going to be talking about them a little bit throughout the vlog series so that when it comes out, we can raise a lot of funds for them. So this family is very close to us, and they're adopting, and not because they can't have kids or anything like that. They're adopting because they fully believe that if you're believe that all babies deserve a life, then people should be able to give them that life. However, it's so expensive to adopt, and they just need that part of it taken off of their hearts or taken off of their minds, because their hearts are in the adoption. They're amazing parents, like literally. It's Landis's youth pastor and his wife and their 3 kids, and they are adopting, and we are going to be doing an amazing fundraiser. Not only that, but she is obsessed with Disney like me, and she is an amazing, and I don't say that lightly, she is an amazing baker. So she will be teaching us like 6 different Disneyland recipes, and then I'm gonna do a DIY along with each recipe. It's gonna be amazing. At first we were gonna do this live craftathon, and I was like, no girl, this is too good. We need to do like a full series. And so I'm not sure how we're gonna be doing the funding part, whether we're gonna do a GoFundMe, but I'm trying to do like some raffle items. So I'm going to be making some raffle items, and then you guys can buy like $1 raffle tickets or $5 raffle. I don't know. We're just trying to figure it out. And so if you guys want to be supportive, that's going to be up May. The first week of May is going to be that whole series. And then if you guys want to give to that, you guys can, and I'm so excited. And then I will also be matching a certain amount, but the program that they're doing to help mothers who want to give their babies a better life but not have an abortion, basically, those are the mothers that they're called to help in this time. So I'm praying for all of that. But
those of us who feel lonely, Jesus, we know that you're with us. God with us, Emmanuel. Help us to see you, help us to hear you, help us to know you. In this moment, may we experience you, experience your goodness. To be overcome by your presence, Lord.
But also tried to get the cop or the detective to reveal themselves in attempt to see if they figured anything out. So sounds pretty suspicious to me, just saying.
Got my vote, Riley.
That's not a good thing.
No, I mean, I can't smile.
Who said that?